I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm assuming you have a date or a special occasion tomorrow. Then you came to the perfect video. I am a teenager from Japan that is trying to improve its own looks. I am here to learn about self-improvement with you guys. Now, real talk. Here are 5 things you can do to look better the next day. These 5 tips are based on the internet and personal experiences. Sometimes I wake up and my face is bloated like I suddenly got fat. And I will also be talking about how to not bloat your face, so make sure to watch till the end to not miss out on any information. Whenever I sweat and work out, I feel like the next day I look a little bit better than other days. Yes, actually working out or doing cardio, any exercise in general will make you attractive the next day. The reason to this is because your hormones are released and you sweated so much that your skin may even look good sometimes. And there are many other benefits in exercising that will make you look better. I started running and working out daily and my skin became better and my overall health became better as I got tired enough to be sleepy at night. But it is hard to be consistent with working out, so I see that as the hardest part of working out and exercising. Next up, the one you hear the most, drinking water. If you lack basic necessities, you will obviously look unattractive. Drinking water will reduce wrinkles and keep your body hydrated. People who tend to drink 2 liters of water every day are less likely to suffer from scars and wrinkles, and they won't show as many signs of aging than other people. I started drinking 2 liters of water every day, and since that day, I didn't see myself acting lazy as I used to be. You should buy many bottles of water, because water that directly comes out of your sink may be bad depending on the country you live in. This method, you probably are doing it already before a special occasion, which is shaving your facial hair. If you are a masculine man and a beard looks good on you, you may not be doing this, but most teenagers and men shave their beards before a special occasion, as it gives them a fresh look and a young look, and it doesn't take that much time. And the one you wanted to hear the most, how to avoid bloating. Bloating is caused by eating too much fatty food and not drinking enough water. Overeating and lacking exercise is also the reason. Well, simply limit your sodium intake. You don't want to wake up seeing your face puffy. The next day after I eat spicy things, I wake up with a puffier face, but the day after eating healthy like steak and just vegetable, my face seems more slim than usual. This is why me and you should start avoiding high sodium food and eat healthy the day before we have something important. But if you end up with a puffy face in the morning but have a special occasion on that day, you can use a gua sha or sweat so you can kind of get rid of your bloating. When you wash your face in the morning, you can use your hands like a gua sha, but don't use a gua sha without applying lotion or soap, because that will cause wrinkles on your face. And this might seem obvious for most of you, but if you lack sleep the day before a special occasion, you will obviously look like you're unhealthy by having sleepy eyes and sleepy emotions and maybe sleepy movement. To not get the sleepy look, make sure to not use your phone too much before you sleep, and make sure your room is optimum temperature, which is 15 to 20 Celsius. Yes, making your room cool can help you sleep, and pretty obviously, but avoid caffeine for that day. Don't drink that morning coffee or energy drinks in general. I bought glasses that blocks 90% of blue light from the skin, and after using that, even if I use my phone and PC before sleeping, I could sleep. But I still recommend me and you to not use any devices before sleeping. Now, what is blue light? Blue light is a light that comes from your screen that will trick your brain into thinking it's daytime, so you should 100% avoid that. And taking vitamin C and E and B will make your skin glow the day after you take it. And take that at least twice the day before your special occasion. I have started taking vitamins 3 months ago, and I already see improvements in my skin, how much I can focus on doing schoolwork, and I'm able to sleep better, leading to having a more refreshing day. But watching this video, you think you can change a lot in 24 hours, but being consistent every day will actually make you look more attractive than this 24-hour glow up. So make sure to watch these 2 videos to smell good and make your skin look more shiny and look like a model like you want to be. Bye.